If you want to know how to make crispy, flavorful, amazing egg rolls, you have to make it the Ong Sing way. And I'll show you how. 咁我哋開始啦. The ingredients that you will need are wood ear mushrooms, rice noodles, a carrot, a chicken thigh, shrimp, cabbage, and egg roll wrappers. The seasonings that you will need are cornstarch, sugar, salt, black pepper, and chicken bouillon powder. The first thing to do is to soak the wood ear mushrooms and the noodles in warm water and wait until they soften. When they soften, cut them into smaller pieces like the length of your fingertip to your knuckle.
A little bit, not too much.
Next, we're going to chop our ingredients. First, mince your shrimp and chicken thigh and remember to remove the skin and shells. After that, you're going to chop your cabbage into squares and your carrot into thin strips. After chopping all of our ingredients, they should look like this. Now, we start the cooking process. So, we're going to put the stove on high heat and put a heaping spoonful of oil on your wok or large pan. The first thing to cook is the meat, so cook the shrimp and take it out when it turns pink. After that, cook the chicken thigh until brown. After it's done cooking, you're going to add the wood ear mushrooms, noodles, and carrots. After adding, you're going to stir until it is fully mixed. Once mixed, you're going to sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Wow,
Yeah.
After that, you're going to add in your cabbage and mix. Not too much though, because there's a lot of cabbage. Next, you're going to add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and mix. Next, you're going to add in 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder and mix. After that, set your filling to the side and crack an egg open in a bowl. Now, we're going to assemble out our egg rolls. Make sure you do how it's demonstrated in the video and wrap it tightly so it doesn't fall apart. After you're done and ready to fry, you're going to get your oil ready. So put the stove on high heat and pour in a lot of oil. You can use vegetable oil. To tell when it's ready, you can wet a chopstick and put it in the oil. If it has bubbles on the side of the chopstick, the oil is ready. So now, you can put in your egg rolls and let it fry. You have to stir it and make sure it fries evenly on all sides. When it turns golden brown, it's ready to enjoy. Just make sure you let it cool down so you don't burn your mouth. 咁我哋食啦。